trying too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking doubt. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking
and the sun is out. Sunrise in the mountains, 3 degrees. The plan was good. We had a couple of nice cars, couple of E36s. We left very early in the morning. The plan was to film some 6 shots of cars drifting in the mountains, the thing that we love doing, and it's our core of the channel, of what we do and stuff. But yeah, sadly, the road is very patchy. It's half dry, half wet, which is the worst conditions possible. And as you could see, it wasn't too easy for the guys to drift, and it finished with a pretty bad accident. I mean, it's nothing super bad, nothing crazy, but it's just not nice to crash a car, of course. Yeah. That was super nice. That was super cool. Hey, thank you for watching that video. This is the type of video that we like to shoot the most, but this one didn't go too smooth. Since the beginning we had some issues, and I just felt like I want to share about some thoughts and some things of what happened behind the scenes. So basically, like I said, since the beginning we had some issues, starting with the time. We were supposed to leave super early because I wanted to film those drifting clips just before sunrise. I was just going for that nice, moody, misty kind of vibes in the mountains before the sun is out. So I wanted to have all the guys on the petrol station early, and I wanted to leave as early as possible. First issue was that Matti was drifting day before and he broke his car. So he was fixing the car the whole night, and that's why he had to wait for Matti a bit longer for him to fix the car. So we were already getting a bit late. Being late, it's nothing wrong. It's just a little thing. But this day it started with a little thing and then it escalated throughout the day. That day I was alone to film. Marek was in Warsaw doing some other things, and I had this idea of having a 360 cam mounted to the car. I always seen the shots on YouTube, and a couple days before we filmed the video I went and I bought a 360 camera with all the equipment, all the suction cups and everything to mount it on the car and have this beautiful POV, like a shot of car drifting that looks like just out of a Need for Speed game. So I was super excited. I mounted the camera and the suction cups and everything on Matty's car. The moment he started driving, the camera the suction cups just gave up for some reason. The camera just smashed on the floor, scratched all the lenses, and yeah, that was another thing that happened.
Well, I think it was just a fault of suction cup being positioned on a sticker, and that could have had vacuum leak.
So you're saying it's my fault?
Yes.
Nice. Thank you. That makes me feel worse. It was just bad because I was excited to, you know, just get some nice shots and end up just literally I bought this camera 3 days before we filmed it, and now it's scratched. But I still took it to Japan. Maybe we can get some nice shots. Then we started filming actual drift scenes, and I always sit in the trunk of the camera car and I film with the gimbal. That day, because the camera car had to go really fast through the corners so the drift cars can go behind it, the gimbal was giving up. For some reason I was trying to film and then the gimbal was just shooting off, and that's why some of the shots that would have been super nice and I could have put them into the video, they were just trash and unusable. Then I decided just to give up on gimbal. I just put it away and I filmed the rest just holding my camera in my hands. That's why most of the shots that are actually on the video, they are quite shaky, but at least the car is in the frame. And then the crash happened. I don't think there's anything to say here. But from there, I was thinking that nothing really can go much worse. You know, broken 360 cam, we were late, gimbal didn't work, and then the cars crashed before we even filmed some longer, you know, drifting. So I was thinking, you know, it cannot get much worse. But then police arrived, so yeah. But despite all the things that happened, despite all the L's that we had to take, I think the outcome, the video that you guys saw, it's a good piece. I think it's cool, and we all finished the day with smiles on our faces. All the friends and the drivers, the friends and everyone was smiling at the end. So I think either way the day was finished on a good note, and that's what counts. Thank you very much for watching. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sitting on a panda, which is weird, and weird things are in Japan because we just made it to Japan a couple hours ago, and you know what you can expect in the next videos, so...
No, Sam, say, in the next video you can also expect a China vlog. NIGHTRIDE China vlog.
Also, we did something else. In the next video you can expect some China vlog as well. We decided to do...
That vlog was the best thing we filmed in a long time, and that's gonna be... You're gonna see that next week, on Sunday, I suppose?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So get excited for China vlog, and...
Yeah, because we just filmed Japan,
but
actually, we stayed in China, and bro,
very nice.
Mind blowing.
Yeah, really
so,
cool.
Yeah. Again, thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video, and subscribe, hit the like button.
Oh no,
you know, all the
please
things
delete that.
that
Don't
YouTubers
say that.
tell you to do, and
no.
Yeah, see you in the next one.
Like a skate clip. Wow.